morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Another extremely big week in AI. So many drops. It's hard to keep up, but don't worry. I have got you covered with top 12 stories from the past 7 days. The first one, Perplexity launches Comet AI browser. Yes, dear friends, Perplexity just dropped Comet, a new Chromium-based browser for Mac subscriber. It combines AI-powered search, task summarization, smart tab management, and a built-in sidebar assistant. So AI meetings browsing reimagined. Next, Explainable AI Debits Go 4 with Super Go subscription. Explainable AI released Grok 4, now topping independent benchmarks, beating out OpenAI O3 and Gemini 2.5 Pro. And with their $300 month Super Grok heavy tier, they are clearly targeting power users. Next, Google adds image to video in VO3. VO3 can now turn a single image into a full audio-visual video clip with consistent characters and a smooth AI-crafted storyline. So one image, one click, and you have got a short film. Next, YouTube cracks down on low-effort AI content. Yes, dear friends, YouTube's stepping in. No more ad revenue for low-quality AI-generated videos. Their goal, of course, encourage originality and push back on the wave of spammy auto-generated content. Next, Meta pays $200 million to recruit Apple's AI lead. In a wild talent grab, Meta offered over $200 million to Apple's roaming bank. He is now part of Meta's newly formed super intelligence team, and the AI talent was just escalated. Next, Moon Valley releases Mari, an ethical AI video model. Dear friends, Moon Valley launched Mari, a film-grade AI video model. It offers camera control, motion in painting, and angles, all trained on licensed ethical data. Big win for creative professionals. Next, Isomorphic Labs nears human trials for AI drugs. Yes, dear friends, spun out of DeepMind, Isomorphic Labs is prepping for clinical trials of drug designed using AlphaFold 3. With $600 million raised and deals with Novartis and Eli Lilly, this is AI entering real medicine. Next, Microsoft introduced BioEmu1 for protein prediction. As dear friends, Microsoft's new model BioEmu1 can predict thousands of protein structures every hour, dramatically speeding up molecular research through deep learning. Next, Black Forest Labs ships Context Composer Plus presets. Different Flux One Context now comes with Composer and smart presets, so you can edit images without typing prompts, think background swaps, relighting, and even cinematic styles in one click. Next, Mistl releases devstral 2507 code models. Yes, Mistl's latest devstral small 1.1 and a medium are now leading open source code reasoning benchmarks with SWE bench verified scores of 53.6% and 61.6%. So this is serious performance. The startup context raised $11 million to build an AI native office suite. Their tools automate documents, slides, and sheets tailored to your personal or team data. Next, Google license Windsurf Tech after OpenAI deal fails. Difference after Microsoft blocked OpenAI's $3 billion acquisition, Google swapped in securing a $2.4 billion license to Windsurf and hiring key access and engineers. Strategic win now for DeepMind. And that's your lightning speed download of this week in AI. The pace is wild, huh? The breakthroughs are real and we are just getting started. Don't blink. Next week will be bigger. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Happy learning.